And we're just gonna open it up. Wow, guys, look at how soft that is. Just look at how beautifully and soft that really is. Oh my foodies, so in this video we are making donuts. So I've started off with some flour here. This is 300 grams of flour, some sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar there. We have some yeast here. This is 1 teaspoon of yeast, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix this together. Right, I'm gonna crack this egg in there. There we go. I'm gonna add in half a cup of milk. I'm gonna mix this all together. Okay, now that it looks like this, guys, we are going to put in our butter there. Put our butter there in the middle, close it up, and just continue kneading. Everything just comes together. We are going to place this back into our dish. Okay guys, so we're gonna put it back into our dish, but we're just gonna grease this dish right here that we were baking in. Place it on here, close it up with a dishcloth, and then wait for 1 to 2 hours for it to double up in size. So it's been 2 hours now. Here's our dough right there. So we're gonna remove this and work on it. Okay, we're gonna cut this in half. I'm gonna take one, and you know the drill. Close it up at the bottom, turn it around. There we go. Place that on the side. Do the same for the next one. Then turn this one around as well. Just like that. There we go. Then continue the process. Okay guys, so once you've rolled them all out into small balls like this, you're gonna take one, just like that, press it out, and then we're gonna take just a circle, anything that's just circle that you can cut with, and then you're gonna cut that in the middle. There we go. That's our first donut. Put that aside. Do the same. So we're gonna let this sit for 15 minutes covered with our dishcloth. Okay guys, so 15 minutes is up, and look at how beautiful those look. They have even doubled up in size. So let's fry them. Okay, now I'm gonna add in our donuts into some cooking oil. Okay, so now we're gonna turn this around just like that. Here's our donuts, you guys. They came out considerably well. I could have done better. I'm sure I could have done better, but they come out really, really well. I'm gonna coat these with some sugar just to vavavoom them, of course. Okay, so I'm gonna take a plate of sugar here. I'm gonna place it on here, and I'm gonna take one donut, and I'm just going to pour that sugar everywhere on that donut. There we go, guys. Set that aside. There we go, guys. Look at how beautiful those look. The sugar definitely just vavavoomed them. They look appropriate now. So we're gonna take one. I'm gonna take this one right here. And we're just gonna open it up. Wow, guys, look at how soft that is. Just look at how beautifully and soft that really is. Oh my goodness, just it's so soft. Tasting time. Yeah, amazing taste of donuts right there. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys will try to make them at home because they are soft, they are delicious. I mean, wow. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on another video. Bye.